Why you not saying that? What's good, YouTube? She is too shy, so I'm gonna do this introduction. We back with another banger. Another reaction video. Let's fucking go.
Let's go.
Needles already. 5 seconds video.
I do believe that laundry detergent does run a scam on people. I learned how to conserve my detergent by my method at work, drawing blood. The measurements are very precise.
King Von?
By using the amount that I put inside of the syringe, it weighs out correctly, so I'm not overdoing it.
Laundry detergent is expensive. $20 a pop.
I'm gonna save this. I collect lint from the dryer, first off because it's clean. Secondly, I don't have to buy cotton swabs. So I use it to remove my nail polish, my makeup.
Absolutely not.
I'm using the lint
You gonna start
right
doing
now
that?
to apply my compact powder on my face. It shades it out very good.
Oh no.
Just a zip of cotton
Life
swab.
hacks.
I am not worried about how sanitized lint is. If the clothes have been dried and ran through the washer and they've been washed, therefore the lint is clean itself.
Nope.
Stephanie,
I
don't think it
works money saving
No.
tactics. By using just one light bulb that she moves from room to room, she saves more than $60 a month on her electric bill.
Don't get no ideas because
She works at a dark
no.
store. She doesn't have a lot of money saved up. She doesn't want to spend nothing. It's just ridiculous, but I do it because I love Stephanie and so.
Oh nah, they really transporting the
We
light.
have what we call Navy showers.
I'm not allowed to take long showers because Stephanie
Too
wants to
big for
save water
anything
for
called
our bill.
Navy shower.
Ad time.
I go in, turn water on, rinse my body off.
Cut the water off. Lather your body down. Make sure you get every area so you don't miss anything. You can't come back to it.
Turn it back on, rinse the stuff off my body.
And
They
get
got
out.
hot water at least.
I don't really get to watch my full body. Like, I'm a grown ass man. I should be able to just get in there and take a manly shower.
Turn it off.
To keep her water bill down, Stephanie found a way to make sure
She paid
She
all
got
the
a baby
bills.
monitor.
2-minute
Hold
shower.
up.
You know she paying all the bills.
Stephanie has a baby monitor.
Family feels that my cheapskate ways are out there.
Your
But I don't
family
really
is
care.
right.
They're right.
This is my reusable boiling water. Yes, I
Reusable
know
what?
it may be a little chunky, but it saves me from spending more money on my water bill by
Yo,
cutting
did
on
you
the
see
water,
the
and
germs
more water
in the
pot,
wa-
dumping it, and doing it all over again. So that saves my water. Lunchtime, come on, let's eat.
No. She feeding the kids
change our water.
Got
too.
the plate
I'll teach
stacked
it
on
in
top.
good
Oh
time.
my
Just
god.
don't rush me, because the more you ask me that, the longer I have to keep it.
I'll never ask you that again.
Is it good? It is?
They
You
can't.
eat all your food? Or whatever you don't eat, I'm gonna say.
Save
I
for
am able
what?
to make the
That's
most
gonna
of
be our lunch
every
tomorrow.
food and drink that we have in this
No,
house.
she put it back in the bottle.
Used to know.
No.
If it doesn't get all drunk up, I pour it back. If it doesn't get all slopped up, I put it back in
Slop.
the container. I'm gonna save this pasta sauce for the next spaghetti dinner.
Count me out.
We do not have to be cheap. We really don't. She has money, I have money. Like, what's the point of being so cheap? Or
Where?
I understand that it saves, but like,
Look at his chain, guys. Look at his chain.
she's being too cheap.
With a strict monthly food budget of $400, there's no room in Stephanie's world for extra expenses, including entertaining guests.
Patrick really wants to have a football party. I am very unhappy about people coming over to our house.
I really begged her to have people over
He
and
begged her.
be honest with you, like, hands and knees.
Having people over to the house means Stephanie's pockets are getting dug into, and I do not like that. I'm not gonna change what I do to impress your friends. You wanted this party. You know
You
how things
wanted
go in
it.
our house.
You paid for it.
No.
Visitors.
Dollars, cents?
Don't
I'm
make
just not
dollars.
with
It
the
don't
whole
make
people
sense.
coming over thing. I feel very
this shame, look at this
uncomfortable
shame.
hosting a football party
so
at our
good.
house, but I love Patrick. This football party
That
is
UConn does
my
not
monthly budget.
save
Way
money.
off course.
Gas guzzler.
It's not a touchdown.
Those nails do not save money.
I can't agree.
When I buy fruits and vegetables, I want to pay for
Nah,
what
she
I
saving
eat,
money.
not for what I do.
That's unethical.
There's no need to
You
pay for the
can't do
bottom. All I'm
that.
eating is the grapes.
The people looking at her.
That'll do me justice.
You do that when you go shopping?
No.
Probably only need about 3 of
And
these.
people gonna be looking at us
My
just like they're
bananas?
looking at her.
I'm not going to eat the whole of the banana. I eat the banana
Oh
itself.
my god.
By removing the peels, pits, and stems from fruits and vegetables before they're weighed at the register, Stephanie saves up to $3 per shopping trip.
I have never seen anyone peel bananas and put them in a basket. That is weird.
Facts.
Yes, ma'am. What can I do for you?
I'm going to be making a lasagna.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to need some ground beef. By any chance, if you have any other ground beef that's already left over,
It's all sold. We sell it on a daily basis, fresh all the time.
okay, and so there's nothing that would
It is
expire.
leftover.
Expired?
No, man, we don't sell expired product here.
She trying to get them
Caught
shut
up.
down.
Sure, I'll be right back.
All right,
Excuse me a second.
thank you. Wow, and how much would 2 pounds of
Oh.
the beef fat be?
Let me cut a
What's
piece
she gonna
off.
do with the
We'll
meat
get
fat?
close to 2 pounds.
Put it in the lasagna.
1.97.
And how much is that?
$2.53 now.
I will take the beef
You'll
fat.
take the beef
I'm satisfied with that.
She dancing.
I have my
Alright,
ground
beef.
beef over here. I'm going to stretch out the beef by adding the rest of this or whatever's left from this to stretch it out for the lasagna.
2 out of 10.
By supplementing the meat
0.
with the beef fat,
What is that?
Stephanie saved 75% on the
want me to
ingredients
feed
for
you
her
that?
lasagna.
This is why we save
She's
the
like
sauce.
stretching it.
And that's the pasta sauce from the night before. Mm-hmm.
Now,
That
to
they
save
had in
the-
money, I multitask with washing dishes and cooking meals with my dishwasher. I just gotta make sure I wrap it really well or else
With the dishwasher reaching a temperature of 170 degrees, the lasagna will be fully
What?
cooked in 1.5 hours.
No, she's not about
without
to do
using the
this right now.
additional gas of an oven.
Who else might put this
The dishwasher gets that hot?
Yeah, you can set the temp, I think.
The lasagna's in the dishwasher and it's cooking.
But wouldn't like the
Fish,
particles
hot
fly in the...
dogs,
That's why she said she
lasagna.
tinfoiled it
I'm
up.
telling you, I do it all the time. Hey, girl. Hey, Adrian.
Having people over, I'm not very excited. I don't want to be embarrassed.
Where's
Be
the light
humble.
bulb?
She's got it on in the kitchen.
Come on! This is the second time you did that. I gotta save money for electricity. I'm
Oh.
sorry.
Oh,
I have to.
I told you
turn
she
it
pays
off
the
when it's
bills.
commercial.
They couldn't like bring out extra light bulbs for the
sorry.
guests.
I haven't this at all. Stephanie's very
Use your
cheap.
phone.
Cheapest person I've seen in a long time.
Apple.
I'll tell you that much.
Excuse me, please.
Is that a can?
A candle, I think.
That's a candle?
Yes.
I thought the walking around
Oh
with
my
the candles
God.
would be insane.
Wow.
I think we can use some light.
The lasagna's ready.
The dishes is done.
2 in 1. If only they knew.
Oh, they busting it down. That's the hack. They busting it down.
Tastes like water.
Oh.
W-A-T-E-R. Water. Nasty.
Dirty dishwater at that.
Very embarrassing. Very like people like, what the heck? She's pretty cheap.
I get the utmost satisfaction being the cheapskate that I am. It's for me.
It's
and
for
my
her,
family, not
okay?
anybody else.
Hold up though.
I don't care what nobody says. It was the Stephanie way.
Water. Nasty.
He got on aluminum foil on his teeth though.
Embarrassing, very.
Stop.
Like,
I swear, look. People.
to be cooked in a dishwasher? The slime tastes like water. WATER.
Oh
That's
my
aluminum
god.
foil.
He had to pop out for the video.
Fool's really cheap.
Embarrassing, very. Like, people like, what the heck?
At least my boy is
Just pretty
humble.
cheap.
I get the utmost
Stay down until you
satisfaction
come
being
up.
the cheapskate that I am. It's for me and my family, not anybody
Not for
else.
us, sorry.
I don't care what nobody
Not for
says.
us.
It was the Stephanie way, and the Stephanie way is the better way.
Oh no.
Let me know if you found any of this useful. If you plan on using any of this, comment down below.
We back with another banger soon, y'all.